This video is brought to you by AEJuice. Get ready to use professional and easy to use transitions and presets, glitch animated background, logo reveal, text animation, different smooth transitions, trailer titles and many more. You can get them individually or you can get it in a bundle. It's also available for Premiere Pro and After Effects. Check out the first link in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have imported the matte file which I will be using in this logo reveal. This complete After Effects template is also available on my web store. Check out the link in the description. Now let's see how to create this logo reveal. Create a new composition. I will name it as Fire Logo Reveal. Time duration for this composition will be 6 seconds. Here I will be using my text as a logo. You can add your logo media here. Perfect. Now let's pre-compose it. I will name it as logo. Now let's add the matte media file to the timeline, place it below logo. For matte, change track matte to alpha matte logo. Here I will adjust the position of matte media. You can see the preview. Now again add the matte media to the timeline. Now add logo composition. For matte composition, change the time to reverse layer. For matte, change track matte to alpha matte logo. You can see the preview. Let's slightly adjust the matte position. Perfect. Here we will trim the layer at 3 seconds. Trim it as shown. You can see the logo in and out effect. Now select all layers, pre-compose them. I will name it as Reveal. Now create a new solid layer. Name it as Noise. In Effects and Preset, search for Fractal Noise. Add it to the Noise layer. For noise, set Fractal Type to Dynamic. Select Invert. Set subscaling to 60. Now at Start. Create keyframe for sub-offset. Now at end of the timeline. Change position for Y sub-offset to near about -1500. You can see the preview. Now at Start, create keyframe for evolution. Now at end of the timeline, change evolution to 2. Perfect. Now let's pre-compose it. Name it as Noise. Select Move All attribute into New Composition. For Noise, change mode to Overlay. Now create a new adjustment layer. Place it between Reveal and Noise Composition. For adjustment layer, in Effects and Preset, search for Gaussian Blur. added to the adjustment layer. For Gaussian blur, set blurriness to 50. Select repeat edge pixels. For this adjustment layer, we will change mode to exclusion. Now in Effects and Preset, search for CC Vector Blur, add it to the adjustment layer. For blur, change type to direction fading. Now set amount to 100. Change angle offset to 100. Here we need to set the vector map. But first we need to create a new solid background layer. Name it as background. Place it below. Now for vector map, set it to background. Now in Effects and Preset, search for displacement map, add it to the adjustment layer. For displacement, set map layer to noise. Now set horizontal displacement to 15. Vertical displacement to 75. Now in Effects and Preset, search for solid composite, add it to the adjustment layer. Set color to black. Now in Effects and Preset, search for fractal noise, add it to the adjustment layer. For noise, set brightness to 50. Now at Start. In Transform, create keyframe for offset turbulence. Set it to 1280, and 0. Now at End. Set Y position to -900. Now at Start. Create keyframe for evolution. Now at end of the timeline. Set evolution to 2. Now change blending mode to color burn. Perfect. Now in Effects and Preset, search for turbulent displace, add it to the adjustment layer. Now set displacement to twist smoother. Set amount to 10. Now at Start. Create keyframe for offset. Now at end of the timeline. Reduce offset value for Y position as shown. Set it to near about 0. Now set complexity to 7. Now again add turbulent displace. Set amount to 10. Set complexity to 7. Now at Start, create keyframe for evolution. Now at end of the timeline. Set evolution to 2. Now in Effects and Preset, search for offset, add it to the adjustment layer. Depending on your logo you can set the offset position. For reveal composition, in Effects and Preset, search for displacement. Add it to the reveal composition. For map layer, set it to noise. Now in Effects and Preset, search for compound blur. Add it to the reveal composition. For blur, set blur layer to noise. Set maximum blur to 2. Perfect. Now let's create a new solid layer. For solid layer, change mode to overlay. Now in Effects and Preset, search for gradient ramp. Add it to the solid layer. Change the start and end color from black to white and white to black. Now in Effects and Preset, search for fractal noise. Add it to the solid layer. Set fractal type to dynamic, select inverted. Set contrast to 150. Perfect. Now let's again create a new solid layer. For solid layer, in Effects and Preset, search for Calculations, add it to the solid layer. Here we will set second layer to Reveal. Set second layer opacity to 100%. Set source to Effect and Mask. Set blending mode to Copy. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Gaussian Blur. Add it to the solid layer. Set blurriness to 10. Select Repeat Edge Pixels. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fractal Noise. Add it to the solid layer. At Start. For noise, in Transform, create keyframe for Offset Turbulent. Now at end of the timeline. Increase Y position for Offset Turbulence. Now at Start. Create keyframe for Evolution. At end of the timeline. Set Evolution to 3. Now in Effects and Preset. Search for Levels. Add it to the solid layer. For levels, adjust the input height as shown. Set it to near about 120. Now let's hide the layer. For noise composition. In Effects and Preset, search for Displacement Map. Add it to the noise. For displacement map, set map layer to black solid 2. Set source to Effects and Mask. Set horizontal and vertical displacement to 100. Now create a new adjustment layer. In Effects and Preset. Search for Levels. Add it to the adjustment layer. Now set Gamma to 0.80. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Color Armor, add it to the adjustment layer. For output cycle, now set Preset to Fire. Set Blend with Original to 30%. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Glow. Add it to the adjustment layer. For Glow, set Glow Radius to 300. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Unsharp Mask, add it to the adjustment layer. For Mask, set Amount to 100. Here you can see the fire effect. If you hide this background layer, you can get a different version with less effect. Depending on your choice, you can select one. Now select all layers. Pre-compose them. Name it as Fire Logo. Now change it to 3D. Now create a new camera. Create new null object. Change it to 3D, parent camera to null object. For null, press P to bring up position, at start. Create keyframe for position. Now at the end. Change Z position value as shown. You can see the preview. Now let's see the preview with the background. Perfect. Here our fire logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.